Hi, and welcome to the Highline Residential Training Series. In this video, you will learn how to access the Highline Residential Gmail extension, how to use CRM functionality in the Gmail extension, and how to add leads using the Gmail extension. To access the Gmail extension, log into your Highline Residential email in Gmail. When you are in the Gmail interface, on the bottom right-hand corner, you will see an arrow. When you click on that arrow, a side panel will be displayed with all add-ons that have been installed into your Highline Residential email. The Highline Residential Gmail extension will be installed by default. To access the extension, simply click on the HL logo. Through the extension, you have the ability to use various CRM functionality, including the ability to communicate with your client, the ability to view or set up new reminders, the ability to view the client's portfolio, their saved search, and the ability to add or edit tags. In addition, you can view the client's full activity stream by clicking on the activity button in the extension. You can also use the Gmail extension to add new leads to the CRM. When you open up an email thread with a client that does not exist in the CRM, the extension will prompt you to add that lead into the system. By default, the extension will pre-populate the client's name and email address, and you have the ability to add the client's phone number, as well as choose what type of lead they are and what source you generated the lead from.